So what we got here is a shaded pole motor out of a microwave. Funny that. It's a fan motor. Now over here you've got the shaded regions, that one over there, and then over here are your non-shaded regions. And then that means that over here the inductance of the core is less than over there. Okay, and I want to measure the phase difference in the magnetism between these two areas. So what I've done is I've wound in two measurement windings, okay, and I've connected them to my scope. Conveniently, the mounting holes for these were located, one in the shaded area and one in the non-shaded area. Otherwise I'd have drilled those holes, not a problem. So let's have a look at the scope. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see the screen. Get you zoomed in. Alrighty, so the blue is the shaded region and the yellow is the shaded non-shaded region. Okay, I'm measuring 1 millisecond between those two. That's your phase shift. So in a half cycle, that is 18 degrees, or 10% of 180 degrees. So your phase shift on the shaded pole motor is about 18 degrees. If you want to round it off, you can call it 20 degrees. So that's this phase shift that's introduced into this motor in order to get it to spin. The light's coming back. Okay, so there's your windings, the copper windings, which introduce the change in inductance to this state over here. Okay, and that's it. Our time is up. Unfortunately, we only got 3 minutes per video. So ladies and gentlemen, hope you found this interesting. You like what I did with my measurement windings. And for the rest, take care, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.